Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're a kitchen enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your culinary game, you're in for a treat today. But before we dive into the top 5 best smart kitchen gadgets of the year, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated on all things innovative. Now, let's explore the must-have gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we cook and experience the heart of our homes. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Kitchen Mama Orbit 1-Can Opener, your best culinary helper. Kitchen Mama, with a mission to foster the joy of cooking and connection through shared meals, has developed a range of innovative kitchen tools. The star of the show here is the Automatic Can Opener, a game changer for those with weak hands or arthritis, making cooking a breeze. Their commitment to easy, painless kitchen experiences continues to shine through, allowing anyone to cook without discomfort, and reinforcing the belief that cooking is not just a task, but a meaningful activity that brings families together. Next up at number 4, we have the iDiAK CP10, a new-gen wireless smart meat thermometer that's set to revolutionize your grilling and cooking game. This isn't your ordinary thermometer, it's your trusty culinary buddy. The CP10 boasts a 4-leaf clover-designed probe for unmatched precision and a time capsule-inspired charging hub, symbolizing luck in every cook and preserving cherished culinary moments. With a smart app connecting you over an impressive 500 feet range, you can monitor your cooking meat from anywhere, liberating you from the grill or oven tether. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0, promising perfect results every time. This compact powerhouse circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, covering a wide range of menu options. Sous vide cooking locks in flavor and moisture, delivering unparalleled texture and taste. The Nano's small but mighty design ensures it conveniently fits into any kitchen drawer, keeping your counters uncluttered and your cooking tool within arm's reach. Now, at number 2, we have the Revolution R270 high-speed touchscreen toaster, a 2-slice smart toaster with patented Instaglow technology, warming rack, and panini press. This smart home gadget is the epitome of toasting perfection. Featuring a touchscreen with customizable menus and 34 preset bread type algorithms, it expertly toasts a wide range of foods. The ultra-fast Instaglow heating system ensures consistent toasting without drying, while the sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. And finally, taking the coveted number 1 spot is the HOTO Smart Food Scale, a kitchen scale that goes beyond measuring grams and ounces. This digital scale, equipped with a high-precise sensor, connects to the My Home app, allowing instant data sharing and precise records for coffee enthusiasts. Its integrated design, with a high-resolution LED screen under clear tempered glass, makes for easy cleaning, and it serves as an exclusive hand drip assistant. With various functions accessible through the Mijia app, HOTO elevates the art of coffee brewing, making it a must-have for every coffee connoisseur.